Hello everyone, so this is my second task from intern career. So I was given a data set that contains information on terrorist attacks around the world from the year 1970 to 2017. So my assignment to my task was to create a Power BI dashboard that provides an overview of global terrorism trends and patterns. So of course I imported the data into Power BI and used Power Query to clean the data and get it ready for visualization. Okay, so here we'll have the total number of successful attacks, the total number of people wounded and the number of people that were killed. So this is attacks, successful attacks over the years, and from here you can clearly see that the year 2014 had the most number of attacks. We'll have the locations of all the attacks here, the type of attack that was carried out, and the bombing and explosion is the most form of attack used by these terrorists, and explosive is the most weapons that were used, and casualties by each region for each year. And from here we can see that the Middle East and North Africa had the most casualty. I have more visuals here that shows the most affected region, of course the Middle East and North Africa, total number of attacks per each group, each terrorist group, and all. And here I have this on this page is where I recorded my insights I was gotten from the analysis. I have them recorded here, and on this page I have more details concerning each region. So from the first page of the dashboard we can actually get to that page. We can filter from this page first. You can, if you want to find information concerning a particular year, you can filter from here, or concerning a particular region and attack type, or use here as well for the group name or the weapons used. But if I click on a particular region here, if I click on any region, this button comes up. So when I click on that, this is my drill through. It takes me to this details page. So every information here is just concerning the region that I had clicked. So any information I find here is just concerning that region in particular. So I can go back here, from here go back to the first page, the dashboard page. So this is just to make the dashboard interactive and user friendly. So there we go. Thank you.